Hi friends and charmers, thank you for joining me today. I have some information on Boxyluxe. Before I start, remember our giveaway in October. You can get either the gingerbread spice palette or the Elements palette by Urban Decay. But just for this video, I have a special giveaway just for the people who watch this video. If you're interested in that, watch till the end. You'll see what it is. So today I'm coming with some new information on Boxyluxe. Recently, Boxycharm sent everyone an email, and this email said that our Christmas present from Boxycharm this year will be the option to be able to go in and choose a product. By going in that way, you can choose a product you really like. So when does all this happen? Well, first of all, if you didn't get the email, check your spam folder, and if it's not there, email Boxycharm. Their email address is info@boxycharm.com. I'll have it linked below. And just say, hey, I didn't get the email about the Christmas Boxyluxe. If you're not decided yet if you want Boxyluxe, if you're still on the fence and you think you want to get a personalized product, you need to decide by October 22nd. That is Monday. Monday is the day you've got to decide. On Monday, if you're on the wait list, you just have to go in and say you want Boxyluxe. For you guys who are not Boxycharm subscribers, what is Boxycharm? Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box where you receive 4 to 5 beauty products for $21. And they have an option, if you choose, you don't have to do it, at the third month of every quarter, which is March, June, September, and December, you get the option of upgrading your box. If you upgrade, it'll cost you an additional $28.99. The total, that third month for the Boxyluxe, will be $49.99. And for that box, you get 10 to 12 full-size products. If you haven't seen what we got in our September Boxyluxe, I'll list the video up here so you can see. It is an awesome box, especially for Christmas time. That is gonna, and you could even use them for Christmas presents. You know, whatever time you get your Boxycharm, that's when you get your Boxyluxe, around the same time. What are we gonna have to do to get this personalized product? Well, on October 23rd at 10 a.m. Eastern Time to 4 p.m. Eastern Time, you go in to Boxycharm and you choose your item. Now, if you're in Central Time, that's going to be 11 to 5. If you're in Mountain Time, that's going to be 12 to 6. And if you're on the Pacific Coast, that's going to be 1 p.m. to 7 p.m. You go in, you sign in, and you pick your product. This is a pilot program for Boxycharm. So if it goes well in this December, they may do it again in March, but they're not committing to it yet. It's just a pilot program. They've been working very hard on it. They don't want what happened September 1st to happen again. So hopefully they got all the kinks out of the system so this goes smoothly, because you have 6 hours to go in and choose your product. But it's first come, first serve. They're gonna run out of some products. So if you want to get in and make sure you get a product, you need to start early. So I hope they can control the traffic better than last time. It kept crashing. But you're gonna have a 6-hour window where you go in and choose your product. So far in our December Boxyluxe, 2 confirmed products in there. The Violet Voss Pro palette. Beautiful palette. I can't wait. I personally do not own any Violet Voss palettes, and I've always wanted one. I can't wait to get it. And the other item is, I think, a 10-piece brush set from Luxie Brushes, and I'll link that up here. I'll put pictures of them up here, and I'll also link the video where I talked about these products. And I just want to say, I'm sure you'll all remember. You remember the picture with the Violet Voss palette, and behind it had a flat iron? Well, he announced that the people going to the New York City in sessions with Boxycharm, if you're going to that, you will be getting a flat iron in addition to your normal stuff in your goodie bag, which is going to bring that bag to over a $900 value. Isn't that crazy? That hot iron is worth like $500. So that's where the flat iron's going. The flat iron will be in the goodie bag for the New York in sessions, which is October 27th. There's still tickets available. It's $200 general admission, I think, if you're interested in that. If anyone receives a broken item in their Boxycharm or Boxyluxe or whatever, if you have like a cracked palette, when you send them a picture, make sure you have the cracked item alongside your label from your box. That way they can identify that it was broken. What's happening, some people are getting pictures of broken products online and using those to get a new product. And evidently a lot of people did this because they ran out of some of the items, and then they realized what some people were doing. So from now on, if you have something broken, like I don't know what you could have with this, but say there was something wrong with this, it was all over, spilt in the box, just have a picture of it alongside with the label from the box, he said. So now, what is my prize? I have a 12 Days of Christmas from Ulta. And what this is, it's got 12 little boxes, and in each box you get a beauty product. It says, the perfect gift for yourself or any beauty enthusiast. Inside each box is a beautiful surprise featuring trendy and unique formulas assigned to inspire your creativity. So all you have to do is comment under this video. I will close it at noon Central Time on Friday. We'll keep it open for a week. I will randomly pick one comment from my TubeBuddy random comment picker, and that person will win. I will put up a video next Friday and have the name of the winner in the video. So make sure you're entering the big giveaway plus this one. I just want to thank everyone for watching, and I want to say I haven't been putting out a lot. I had some issues, and then my husband always helps me film because I can't see well. Well, I finally figured out what I need to do it alone so I can put out more videos, because it's hard. He works a lot and he's not here a lot. So hopefully I'll be putting out more content and on a regular schedule. I know it's been bothering me a lot that I haven't been putting out enough. So I want to say everybody have a wonderful weekend and pull for those LSU Tigers. I'll be at the game on Saturday cheering for my daughter in the marching band. So take care. Remember to subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you like the video. And until next time, bye.